Caring of beehive. Beehive care and maintenance is supposed to start immediately after the installation work is completed. Proper maintenance will create favorable conditions for the honeybees. Keeping the apiary structure strong and homey is key to promoting a healthy honey harvest. How to maintain and care for a beehive? During rainy or lean season, beehives become empty. They are to be stored and protected from the enemy insects. The major bee enemies are wax moths, wasps, birds, ants, hive beetles, mites, mice, and beer, which destroy the raised combs, hives and hive paths, catch and kill bees, eat away the food reserves, and result in reduced productivity. Repair or replace damaged parts. Repairing and replacing the damaged parts strengthens the entire hive and makes it more resistant to weather, animals, and other destructive agents. Install entrance blocks. Entrance blocks are used to narrow the hive openings. They prevent heat loss in winter while allowing adequate ventilation. They also prevent strange bees and other insects from accessing the hive interior. Install excluders and suppers. Excluder is designed to prevent the queen from laying eggs in the honey supper. It has small holes to allow young worker bees pass through into the honey supper. Replace any lost beeswax. Beeswax is quite important in a hive. It is used by the bees to make the combs. It also used by the insects to line the structure interior, making it more comfortable. In addition, it strengthens the whole structure when it hardens in the joints. Beeswax can be lost when harvesting honey or maintaining the hive. So be careful not to interfere with it when handling the structure. If you accidentally detach the wax from the surfaces, you need to place it back. Install a rain cover and shade structure. To keep your hive safe from rainwater, you need to install a rain cover to prevent raindrops from falling directly on the structure. To shade your structure from direct sun, you need to install a shade structure. But you can also use the rain cover if it can provide shade. Provide adequate ventilation. Proper ventilation can keep a hive free from the damaging effects of condensation, freezing, and high temperatures. Provide a windbreak. To shield your hive from destructive winds, you can install a windbreak in the form of a fence consisting of strong posts and sheets of strong materials. You can also use trees and shrubs as a windbreak, but this may require you to move your hive to a place shielded by plants. Control wood lice and termites. Wood lice and termites feed on wood, which means that they can destroy your wooden hive if they're allowed to breed around the structure. They are more destructive in dry seasons and common in old or rotting woods. When it comes to controlling these organisms, you can employ soil treatment methods, liquid insecticides, or baits. protect it from bears, raccoons, skunks, and mice. Bears destroy hives and feed on honeycombs, causing a big loss to the beekeeper. To control bears, you can install a strong fence around your hive. Raccoons are not as disastrous as bears, but they are still a big problem in beekeeping. They are well known to access the interior of a hive from top side, so you can deal with them by placing a big stone on the top cover. Skunks and mice also destroy beehives. They bore holes on these structures, making them unsuitable for keeping bees. Mice, in addition, build nests on the structures, interfering with the bees. To control skunks, you need to place your hive on an elevated stand. As for the mice, you need to install a mouse guard at the hive entrance and destroy their nests, which are common in autumn.